Looking to unlock more spending power with your Klarna account? In this video, I'll explain exactly how Klarna determines your limit and the steps you can take to potentially increase it. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your spending limit is based on Klarna's internal assessment, and while you can't request an increase directly, you can take actions to improve your eligibility. First, understand that Klarna's algorithm reviews your account continuously. The most powerful way to signal your creditworthiness is by consistently using Klarna and, most importantly, by always paying on time. Make several successful purchases over time, whether it's pay in 4 or using the Klarna card. Ensure every single payment is completed on or before its due date. This builds a strong, positive payment history. Klarna may also perform a soft credit check to see your overall financial health. Keeping your credit report healthy with other lenders can positively influence their decision. A crucial pro tip: provide complete and accurate information when you sign up. Linking a debit card instead of a credit card can sometimes be viewed more favorably, as it demonstrates responsible spending within your means. And just like that, you're on the path to potentially unlocking a higher limit. Responsible management is the key to growing your financial flexibility with Klarna. Have you experienced a limit increase after consistent use? Tell us about it in the comments. To understand what goes into that number, watch our next video on how Klarna decides your spending limit. Thanks for watching.